कश्चित् कान्ता विरहगुरुणा स्वाधिकारात् प्रमत्तः शापेनास्तङ्गमितमहिमा वर्षभोग्येण भर्तुः यक्षश्चक्रे जनकतनया स्नानपुण्योदकेषु स्निग्धज्जायातरुषु वसतिं रामगिर्याश्रमेषु तस्मिन्नद्रौ कतिचिदबला विप्रयुक्तः सकामी नीत्वामासान् कनकवलयभ्रंशरिक्तप्रकोष्ठः आषाढस्य प्रथमदिवसे मेघमाश्लिष्टसानुं वप्रक्रीडापर्णतगजः प्रेक्षणीयं ददर्श. So we saw the first two shlokas where the introduction of the Yaksha is done. He is the supposed hero, but he is not the hero. It is the Megha, the cloud that is the hero of this Khanda Kavya. The Yaksha is the narrator. He is going to narrate the whole route to the cloud right now. He is standing on the top of a mountain. He sees this Ashadhasya Prathama Divase, on the first day of Ashadha. And soon Shravana Masam is going to come also. So he sees this Megha and he decides that he has to send a message through this cloud. Okay. The next one, I think he skips a shloka here. So anyway, we are only seeing the 10 shlokas that are there here. Pratyasanne nabhasi daita jivitalambanarthi jimutena swakushalayim harayishyan pravrittim sapratyagraihi kutaja kusumaihi kalpitarghaya tasmai pritaf priti pramukhavachanam swagatam vyajahara. Saha nabhasi pratyasanne sati दयिता जीवित आलम्बनार्थी सह यक्षः जीमूतेन स्वकुशलमयीं प्रवृत्तिं हारयिष्यन् प्रत्यग्रैः कुटजकुसुमैः तस्मै कल्पितार्घाय तस्मै प्रीतः प्रीतिप्रमुखवचनं स्वागतं व्याजहार. So most of the this just falls in place except for a couple of things. So nabhasi pratyasanne sati. Nabho Nabhasyaha. So the names of the months are different in the Chandramana calendar, Sauramana calendar, and then there is a completely separate set of 12 names given in the Vedas. So the Vaidika Nama is also completely different from what we know. So Magha, Palguna, Chaitra Masa, Vaishakha, these are the Chandramana calendar. When you look at Sauramana calendar, it follows the Rashi names. So Makara, Kumbha, Meena, Mesha, Ityadi. When you look at the Vaidika names, it is Tapo Tapasyaha, Tapaha Tapasyaha, Madhu Madhava, Shukra Shuchi. I think for Shravana you have Nabho Nabhasya. Raghuvamsha 12th Sargatla Nabho Nabhasya yor madhye avagrahamiva abdinuttu there is a shloka. So Nabho Nabhasyaha is Shravana and Bhadrapada. அதுக்கப்புறம் ஈஷா ஊர்ஜ ஏதோ இருக்கு சஹஸ்யஹா அப்படின்னு ஒன்று இருக்கு. ஸோ நபோ நபஸ்யஹா சஹஸ்யஹா இதெல்லாம் these are different names that Vedas give for the 12 months. Here nabhasi pratyasanne sati, when Shravana Masa is close by. So here when Ashada Masa starts, the rain completely, it just washes away everything and it is difficult to navigate outside. But as soon as that is gone and Shravana Masa comes about, it becomes a little more tolerable and people want, they will miss their beloved even more during the beginning of Shravana Masa. So he wants to send a message before that so that she will not miss and she will, his wife, his beloved will have some hope of living here. So Daita Jivita Alambanarthi. He wanting to alambanam, wanting to hold on to his wife's jivitam, life. So arthi nama, he wished to alambanam, ensure that his wife is still with life. So daita jivitasya alambanarthi, daitayaha jivitam, daita jivitam, tasya alambanam. Alambanam nama, someone who is anxious to support the life of his wife here. Daita here, beloved. So support, alambanam. Arthi, he is anxious or desirous of doing this. So saha, daita jivita alambanarthi san. Now what does he want to do for that? He has to do something so that she can support her life. Right? Otherwise, because of separation, she is going to die. So, Jimutena, through the cloud, Swa Kushalamayim Pravrittim Harayishyan. Harayishyan here is a Litlakara as well as a Shatrapratyaya. So, Jimutena, through the cloud or using the cloud as a messenger, Swa Kushalamayim Vartam Pravrittim. Pravritti atra tu vartaha. So, wanting to ensure the safety of his wife, he is harayishyan. He wants the cloud to carry. It's a future causative also. Nijanta also here. So, he wants to make the cloud take a message, pravritti, which is swakushalamayim, which consists of his own safety or his own welfare. That he is well. Nalam nalamariya ava அப்படிம்போம் அந்த மாதிரி he wants to send a message saying kushalam atra tatra katham ityeva. So swa kushalayim harta pravrittim harayishyan, wishing to send a message through the cloud. What does he do? Before, you can't just directly order someone. He is not a king who is sending a messenger here. He is a person who is asking for a help from someone. So he has to first welcome him. You can't directly say, go ahead, let's, and command. Tatra, that won't work here. So, pratyagraihi kutaja kusumaihi tasmai kalpitarghaya tasmai. To that cloud, he first took fresh flowers, kutaja flowers. So, these kutaja flowers are small white flowers, which are not the flowers that will go into a garland or the hair or anything like that. These are just small flowers that he finds on the ground there in that ashramapadam. So he picks them, or in that mountain. So in the mountain you can't have beautiful, lovely creeper flowers and all. These are small flowers that are there, which are white colored flowers. So pratyagraihi, but they have just bloomed. So navam nutana pushpani grihitva. So taihi kutaja kusumaihi kalpita arghaya tasmai. To that cloud, he offers offering. He does a worship kind of thing with the flowers here. So kalpita arghaya tasmai would be, argha is arhyate iti, argha. It is something that is presented to someone who is honorable or a distinguished guest. So this is an argha that he presents. So this cloud, to whom that argha or that offering has been presented. So tasmai, with the flowers. So pratyagraihi kutaja kusumaihi yatkrite, that is for the sake of the cloud, these flowers have been used to present as an offering. So then he is now pleased by the thing that he has seen this cloud, and that he can use the cloud to send a message. So he is a little happy right now, even though Brahmsharikta Prakoshtaha iti asti khalu. So even though he is undergoing love and separation, still he is suffering from that separation, yet Preeta's son, because he has an opportunity right now, he sees that as an opportunity to send a message. So Preeta's son, tasmai meghaya preeti pramukha vachanam swagatam vyajahara. He spoke words of welcome, which were words which were preeti pramukha. Pramukham nama important, that is, it is qualifying the swagatam. The swagatam had words, that is, the welcome address had vachanam, which was pramukha, which were mainly highlighted by preeti, affection. So these were affectionate words of welcome that he spoke to the cloud, to whom he had already offered fresh flowers, fresh kutaja flowers, because he wanted the cloud to take a message to about his own safety to his wife. He was also wishing to ensure that his wife can support her life for the rest of the 4 months. Okay. Now this pratyasanne nabhasi nikatavartini ashadhasya samipam prapte sati shravane ashadhasya samipam prapte sati. That is the time of saying this. So shravana mase nikatavartini sati Priya Chintakaha Yakshaha, one who is always thinking about this Yaksha, so about his beloved. Priyayaha Pranadharana Upayam Kartum Abhilashan Meghadwara, that is why the Tritiya is here, Jimutena. Iti Kushalavartam Swasya Kushalavartam Daita Samipe Prapayishyan. He wanted to send that kind of a message to her. So Naveenaihi Girimallika. Mala, that is the jasmine that grows in the mountains, which is not nurtured well. Sometimes they can actually be much more beautiful than the flowers that we get in the plains. So Girimallika Pushpaihi Tam Megham Pujayitva Pranaya Pradhana Vachanam Pramukha iti Pradhana Matra Uktva Prasannata Purvakaha Preetiyukta Sanna Swagatam Jagada. Kattumalli sollala.
That also smells very good.
காட்டுமல்லிக்கும் ஒரு நல்ல வாசனை வரும். இதுக்கும் வாசனை இருக்கத்தான் இருக்கும்.
That Jivita Lambanarthi, in this verse, it means that he is desiring for holding on to the life of his wife, like that.
Yes.
But, instead of providing support to her life, can it also means in some other context deriving support from? Jivita Lambanarthi is from something else deriving support for life.
கான்டெக்ஸ்ட் சொல்லுங்க. அதாவது ஜீவிதஸ்ய ஆலம்பனம் அர்த்தியதே அதுவா அர்த்தயதி இதி. He wants a support for his life. அப்படி எடுத்துக்கலாம். If that daita is not there, then he wants to provide support for his wife's life and irukku inga. Otherwise how do you I'm enak puriyala.
So I'm just saying we can like Lambanarthi, Jivita Lambanarthi, Alambanarthi means someone who wants the support also, right? Someone who wants to derive the support also.
Wants to give support.
Give support.
Or one who is seeking support for life. So this is whether if you add daita, then one who seeks support for his beloved's life. Abdinarthu. If you remove daita from this whole thing, it is a question mark whether he is asking for his own life support or for somebody else's life support. Avladane?
Okay.
சரி. லைஃப் சப்போர்ட்ங்கிறது தப்பு. அப்படி இல்லை, சப்போர்ட் ஃபார் லைஃப்ங்கணும். எப்படி மாறுறது இல்லை, சமஸ்த பதமும் விக்கிரக வாக்கியமும் இங்கிலீஷ்ல. ஆமா, இங்கிலீஷ்ல தான். ஜாதம் வம்சே புவன விதித்தே புஷ்கராவர்த்தகானாம் ஜானாமித்வம் பிரகிருதி புருஷம் காமரூபம் மகோனஹ தேனார்த்தித்வம் தொயி விதிவசாத் தூரபந்துர்கதோஹம் யாச்ஞா மோஹ வரமதிகுணே நாதமே லப்த காம யாச்ஞா. Jatam Vamshe. So the moment you address and you want somebody's help here, you have to start with praising the other person. That is how conversation always works. Someone wants to ask a question, he will also start with, you are the best person to answer me. When someone answers that, he will also say, you know what, the question you have asked is an amazing question, let me start off the answer. So conversations always have to be with an acknowledgement of the greatness of the other person. Here furthermore, he is asking for help from someone. So you don't directly start off without a preamble. You start off with Jatam Vamshe. You have been born in a great lineage, which is Bhuvana Vidite, in the lineage that is Viditam, that is famous in this world. And that Vamsham is Pushkara Avartakanam Vamshe Jatam Tvam. It's an adjective to Tvam here. So you who are born in a Vamsha, in the lineage of Pushkara and Avartaka. Pushkara and Avartaka are names of clouds here. Pushkaram Avartakam iti Namadheyanam Pralayakalameghanam Vamshe. So there are 7 or maybe 9, something like that. There are different classes of clouds here. I think 7, if I remember right. 7 different class of clouds. all of these come during the Pralaya Kalam. They all rush in. In Veni Samharam also you must have read this. If you have read Veni Samhara third act, then you would have read the Pushkara and Avartaka. Purila. Okay. Pushkara.
The result they give, according to that they are named. அப்படின்னு நான் நினைச்சுப்பேன்.
ஆமா ஆனா அதுல ஆனா இது வந்து it is actually different name வருது ஒவ்வொன்னுத்துக்கும். there is a different definition that he gives for Pushkara and Avartaka.
அப்படிலாம் நினைச்சுப்பேன்.
Something, so Pushkara is something which அதாவது without rain it is only thunder. அந்த மாதிரிலாம் there are different classes of clouds here. Okay, அன்வர்த்தநாமாவா இருக்கான்னு எனக்கு தெரியல. வேற எங்கேயோ பார்த்தோம். ஐ திங்க் வேணி சம்ஹாரத்தில் ஐ திங்க் வி சா த வியாக்கியானத்தில் இருந்தது அது. ஐ டோன்ட் ரிமெம்பர் எக்ஸாக்ட்லி வாட் இட் சேஸ். பட் பிரளய கால மேகா ஹி டசன்ட் கிவ் எனி டெஃபினிஷன்ஸ் ஹியர். வேற எதுவும் கொடுக்கல. ஓகே. புஷ்கர ஆவர்த்தகானாம் வம்சே புவன விதிதே வம்சே. In the class of, in the Vamsha, lineage of Pushkara and Avartaka, which is well known on this earth, you have been born. And I also know that not only that, just lineage is not enough. Na kulam, naivakritihi nacha kulam. It is only purva sukritam. Yes. So, jeemuta stanita vishankibihi mayurehi udgi. No, இது சொல்லல. நாட் திஸ் ஸ்லோகா. நம்ம வந்து அஸ்வத்தாமாவோட ஸ்லோகம் படிக்கிறச்சு அதில் ஐ திங்க் ஐ மென்ஷன்ட் த கிளாஸ் ஆஃப் clouds separately. It's okay. I'll see if I can pick it up sometime. ஜானாமி துவாம் பிரகிருதி புருஷம். இது வந்து பிரகிருதி இல்லை, பிரகிருதி. ஸோ ஜஸ்ட் க அண்ட் ரு வரணும். प्रकृति पुरुषम कामरूपम मघोनः. मघोनः कामरूपम प्रकृति पुरुषम त्वाम जानामि. I also know that you are born in a great lineage. Not only that, your work is also such that you can take on different forms. Kamarupam, you have the capacity to take on different forms, which is whatever form that Indra wishes. You can take on that form because you are the Prakriti Purusha. Prakriti Purusha nama one of the attendants of Maghona, Devendra. Maghava, Maghavano, Maghava, Maghonaha அப்படின்னு வரும். So Maghava is the Shabdam, Maghavat Shabdam, and then Maghonahana it changes in Shashti Vibhakti. So Devendrasya Prakriti Purusham. Pauravarge Pradhana Purusham. So Prakriti here, in many cases, Prakriti is also used as Amatya. Sometimes it is used as Prajaha. Here you can use it as Anuchara. So Prakriti Purusham, Anuchareshu Tvam Ekaha iti aham janami yaha Kamarupam. Yadricha Ichhanusaram Rupam Dhartum Shaknoshi iti. I understand it is very easy for you to take on whatever form. So as we see the clouds, they keep changing, right? So it's a very characteristic thing of the cloud that the one moment we see the cloud, it is like a lion. Immediately it changes shape, and then suddenly it will also vanish away. We don't know. So Tvam Maghonaha Prakriti Purusham. And these clouds also belong to Indra, or they are under the command of Indra. You are also under the command of Indra. So such is your lineage and such is your appointment also, your work. So these are the two things that people look at, career and family. So both have been mentioned here by the Yaksha. So your family is also a great family. Your career is also amazing because you are under the command of Sakshat Devendra. Tena tasmat karanat vidhivashat durabandhuhu aham. Vidhivashat, because of vidhi, daivam, fate. Now my bandhu is right now far off. I am a person who is very far away from my relative. Hence, tvayi arthitvam gataha. I am now placed in a position of requesting you right now. So arthitvam nama atra arthayate iti arthinaha bhavaha arthitvam. So I am being subject to this subject to someone who has to make a request. Tatha. So tvayi arthitvam gataha aham. Why? Because of vidivashat, because of fate. Now this is over. The sentence is over. Now the next sentence, the last line, is a justification for the entire thing. So he says it is always why is the yaksha quoting all of these things? Why is he saying that you are from a great lineage? You're also Indra's personal attendant. This has an implication here, and it is justified by a statement where he says it is better to be unsuccessful when asking from a great person rather than getting your wishes satisfied by asking a very lowly person. Varam adhigune yancha yachnya mogha api adhigune adhika guna yukte purushe. When you are making a request towards a person who has great virtues, right? Adhigune purushe yachnya mogha, fruitless. It can be unsuccessful or fruitless. Still, it is better. Varam. It is better than asking a labdhakama, adhame labdhakama na varam. Adhame, in a very lowly ன்னு சொல்லிக்கலாம். இல்லைன்னா adhama is a person who is of a nicha character, right? One who is not so elevated in mind, one who is not generous of heart. So அது கொடுக்கறச்சே எங்கள் ப்ரொஃபஸர் ஒன்று சொல்லுவார், இந்த பணத்தை வந்து கொடுக்கறச்சே இப்படி எண்ணி கொடுத்தான்னா அவன்கிட்ட வாங்கக்கூடாதுன்னு அப்படியே கொடுக்கணுமா. You know, the moment you start counting whether you have the right amount of money or not, that shows your character. அதனால அதமே, in a person who is not of a great character, labdha kama, even if your desires are satisfied, it is not na varam, it is not good. குட்டுப்பட்டாலும் மோதிர கையால குட்டுப்படணும். அதனால பரவாயில்ல. So ஜாதம் வம்சே புவன விதித்தே. So this is an alankara called Arthantaranyasa. I think he explains it at the end here. Samanya Visheshayoho Uktihi or Samanyena Vishesha Samarthanam Arthantaranyasaha. So here the Vishesha particularity is the story of Megha, that you are born in a great kulam. Hence I am also standing in front of you, requesting you for a help. So this kind of a request to a particular person in the form of the Megha is substantiated by Samanyam. In general, it is better to ask a help from a person who is distinguished rather than ask from a person who is not so large-hearted, who is a small-minded person. So, Yanchka Moga Varamadhigune Nadhame Labdhakama iti Chaturtha Charanastha, the fourth line. Samanyartha Dwara. Atra, it is generalized here among a contrast between virtuous people and or distinguished people and lowly people. Arthitva gamana rupa vishesha arthasya samarthanam. You are justifying the fact that this yaksha is standing in front of this cloud, that is justified to say that Megha tu adigunayuktaha, adhikagunayuktaha vartate, natu adhamaha. Tasmat tvayi arthitvam gataha aham iti. So, tvam yache. Samarthanam ide Arthantaranyasa alankara. Okay.
So, this is Samanyena Visheshana Samarthanam.
Yes. Jatam vamshe bhuvana vidite pushkaravartakanam janamitvam prakriti purusham kamarupam maghonah tenarthitvam tvayi vidivashat durabandhur gatoham yanchnya mogha varamadhigune nadhame labdha kama. संतप्तानां त्वमसि शरणं तत्पयोद प्रियायाः सन्देशं मे हर धनपति क्रोध विश्लेषितस्य गन्तव्याते वसतिरलकानाम यक्षेश्वराणां बाह्योद्यानस्थितहर शिरश्चन्द्रिका धौतहरम्या. This scene itself will just அது ஒரு ஒரு பூரிப்பா இருக்கும் அது படிக்கிறச்சே. இட் ஜஸ்ட் ஃபில்ஸ் யுவர் ஹார்ட் வித் ஒன் இமேஜ், ஹாப்பி இமேஜ் அது. அதாவது என்னன்னா இஸ் தத் பயோத தஸ்மாத் ஹே பயோத சந்தப்தானாம் துவம் சரணம் அசி. You are the refuge for people who are all suffering. So atra you can take it as two ways. One is when people are suffering because of summer, the heat, immediately rain comes in and makes us very enna solradhu, it reduces that tapam that is there in the mind. So santaptanam, for those people who are extremely heated or suffering from the heat of summer, or they are afflicted by that heat. Inga santapta can also mean he is afflicted by the pain of separation. So for those people who are afflicted by that pain, that is virahata pena ye santaptaha vartante, tesham api tvameva sharanam vartase. So you give the coolness of that weather, your rain or the water that comes from you gives a coolness to the weather, and so the summer heat is gone. And for those who are suffering from the pangs of separation, they immediately start their journey towards home. So they want to go back to their home because they know that the rainy season is something where business will not happen, nobody will venture out of their homes, so they will want to immediately return home the moment they see the cloud. It is going to rain, let me quickly get back. It's a normal human behavior that the moment we go out and we see a dark cloud, if we don't have an umbrella, then we will rush home. That is the natural behavior of humans here. So in the same manner, here also, you are the person who gives water, and hence you are the refuge. So payoda, payaha dadati iti payoda, one who gives water, right? Instead of megha or any other word. So this is a parikara ankuralankara. So parikara alankara is sabhipraya visheshane. When the visheshya is used with an abhiprayam, then it is a parikara ankura alankara according to Kuvalyanandakara. So santaptanam tvam sharanam asi. Tat tasmat dhanapati krodha visleshitasya me priyayaha sandesham hara, athava me sandesham priyayaha hara, priyam prati hara. You take my message towards my beloved, to my beloved. So priyayaha hara, take this message to her. Me who am right now visleshitasya, I am now separated because of dhanapati krodha. So dhanapati need not be only Kubera. If we take the Purana Katha, then it is Dhanapati. Otherwise, you can just take it as some lord with whom he has been a servant. Is also fine. So Dhanapati refers to Kubera. Because of Kubera's anger, I have been separated from my wife right now, and hence Vishleshitasya me mama sandesham vartam priyayaha hara, priyam prati hara. So where should you go? The preamble is over here. That is the qualities, the great qualities of the cloud. He has praised the qualities of the cloud. He has also said, you are the best person to take my message, and you are the best refuge for people who are separated or people who are suffering from summer. Either ways, you provide a cooling effect for people. Hence, you are the best person to take my message. So now the message starts. What is the destination point? Gantavyate vasatir alakanama yaksheshwaranam. Yaksheshwaranam vasatihi te gantavya. The vasati or the residence, residence or the capital of Kubera, which is called Alakapuri. Alaka nama yaksheshwaranam vasatihi. It is the residing place of the yakshas or the Ishvara nama atra, the wealthy yakshas, all of them live in the capital city. Only those people who have money will live in the capital. The others will all live in town and villages, suburbs. Yeah? So that's why he very beautifully he says yaksheshwaranam vasatihi, the residence of the wealthy yakshas. Otherwise, they will be surrounding Shiva and staying there. அங்க இருந்தா ஒன்றும் கிடைக்காது. கபாலமேவ தத்ர இல்லையா? அசனம் கரளம் பணி கலாபகா அப்படிங்கிற. இன் சிவானந்த லஹரி there is a beautiful ஸ்லோகம். What do I ask you? You know, if the basics that people can ask someone is roti kapda makan, yeah. So these are the things that we all look for. But if I have to ask for food, what is your food? Ashanam garalam. You eat visham for food. Pani kalapaha. No, I want something to wear. Your ornaments are all pani. Pambu. How can I ask for ornaments from you? Your ornaments are snakes here. Pani kalapaha. Vasanam charma. So kapda. I want clothes. What do I ask you for? You are wearing the skin of animals or not at all. Digambaraha. So I can't even ask for that from you. Some nice car, bungalow, all that. Then that would be a good option, right? So Angyu, it's a vahanam mahokshaha. Your vehicle is a great ox. What can we do with a cow right now? So a bullock or the ox. Mama dasya sikim asti shambho. What is there in your hands to give me right now? So tava padambuja bhaktimeva dehiyo doro அந்த இடத்துல. So tava padambuja bhaktimeva dehi. So the only thing that I can ask from you is your bhakti, nothing else. அசனம் கரளம் பரவாயில்ல, ஓரளவுக்கு சொல்லிட்டேன். மம தாஸ்யசி கிம் கிம் அஸ்தி சம்போ தவ பாதாம்புஜ பக்திமேவ தேஹி. So give me devotion towards your lotus feet, nothing else can I ask. So those yakshas, those shivaganas. So yakshas, there are also shivaganas who are yakshas. So if they are staying beside Shiva, they have to live the life of Shiva there. There is no other choice. Only those people who are wealthy are going to live in the capital city, which is Alakapuri. So Gantavyate Yaksheshwaranam Vasatihi Alaka Nama. Yet the beauty of Alaka comes from Parameshwara, who is sitting in the garden outside. Bahya Udyane Sthitaha Haraha Tasya Shiraschandrika Dhauta Harmya. The moonlight that comes from the moon that is there on Parameshwara, it makes the Harmyam, the palaces, white, even more white. It is whitewashed, all of the palaces, and it is bright because of Parameshwara's moonlight. The moonlight that comes from the moon that is there on Parameshwara's head. And this is the best way for you to go and take a glimpse of Parameshwara. It's not easy for people to have a darshanam of him. So here, durlabha darshanam. So tattu adhuna sulabham bhavet iti vastu dhvani. You can take it as dhvani also. And adbhutam, it is a beautiful city of the wealthy people. At the same time, it is made even more bright because of the moonlight. So it is an adbhuta vastu to look at also. So there is a adbhuta rasam that you can say which is here. So Santaptanam, I don't know if he has another alankara.
Udatta is not there.
Udatta போட்டுக்கலாம். உதாத்தம் விட கிடைக்காத ஒரு காட்சி உனக்கு ரொம்ப ஈஸியா கிடைச்சிரும். People have to wait in line to get a darshanam of Parameshwara. All you need to do is just go there under the pretext of giving a message, and he is ever present in the garden there. Bahya Udyanam, outside garden. Yeah. Santaptanam Tomasi Sharanam Tatpayoda Priyayaha Sandesham me hara dhanapati krodha visleshitasya Gantavyate Vasati Ralakanama Yaksheshwaranam Bahyodhyanasthita Harashiras Chandrika Dhauta Harmya.
What is Bahya Udyanam? Every time it will be Bahya Udyanam only, right? What is
பாஹ்யோத்யானம்னா அந்த அலகாயாக பாஹ்யே உள்ளுக்குள்ள கூட உத்தியானம் இருக்கலாமோ இல்லையோ? இது வந்து suburbs மாதிரி. He is not inside the capital. So inside the capital, for every palace there could be an attached udyanam for the palace also. Kubera might have a bigger udyanam which is attached to his palace. This is like a outside separate இது இந்த sanctuary மாதிரி போவோம்ல, அந்த மாதிரி வச்சுக்கோங்க. So Shiva has என்னது
ராஷ்டிரபதி பவன்ல முகல் கார்டன்ஸ் மாதிரி.
தனியா ஒரு கார்டன்ஸ் இதோ இங்க அண்ணா இது இருக்கே, அது என்ன செம்மொழி பூங்கா அதெல்லாம் இருக்கு. ஸோ இட் இஸ் எ செப்பரேட் கார்டன், நாட் இன்சைட் த சிட்டி பட் இட் இஸ் அவுட் சைட் த சிட்டி. வேடந்தாங்கல் போங்கோ வச்சுக்கோங்க, மோர் நேச்சுரல் ஏரியா வேர் சிவா இஸ் பிரசன்ட். அவ்வளோதான் என்ன. ஆனால் அதனுடைய பவர் எப்படின்னா the light comes and makes this bright ன்னு பார்த்துக்கோங்க. that is the greatness of Alakapuri. அடுத்தது சரி, त्वामारूढं पवनपदवीम् उद्गृहीतालकान्ताः प्रेक्षिष्यन्ते पथिकवनिताः प्रत्ययाद् आश्वसत्यः कस्सन्नद्धे विरहविधुरान् त्वय्युपेक्षेत जायां न स्याद् अन्योऽपि अहमिव जनः यः पराधीनवृत्तिः त्वां पवनपदवीम् आरूढम् उद्गृहीत अलकान्ताः पथिकवनिताः प्रेक्षिष्यन्ते. पथिकवनिताः, this is all மேக சந்தேஷம் நான் ரொம்ப ரசித்து நான் எடுத்தேன். அது ஒரு எனக்கு ரொம்ப இட்ஸ் அ பியூட்டிஃபுல் டெக்ஸ்ட் ஆக்சுவலி, பிகாஸ் ஹீ ஹேஸ் observed so many small minute details that is very human. When women have this small curls or bangs or something like that, or that keep coming in the way of the eyes. So when they want to see you, as the cloud comes in, இங்க பின்னாடி இன்னொரு இடத்துலயும் வரும், மால்வா வர்ணிக்கர்ச்சே கூட அந்த இடத்துலயும் it will be there. So they will look at you with such they are being comforted by your presence right now. So ashvasatyah, because pathika vanitaha, those women who have sent their husbands away on travel, so they are travelers. These are the wives of the travelers. So pathika vanitaha, as soon as you have gone up on the sky, the moment they see you on the sky, inge pavana padavim garche, you take it as the path of the wind as you have started traveling. You are not stationary right now to pour down the rain. Instead, you are going, taking the path of the wind and you are moving. So these women, they will look at you. Prakshishyante, they will look at you. Udgrihita alakantaha. Their hair is curling and it is decorating their head. So the ends which are hanging loose on their faces, they will move them. Udgrihita. They will move them a little bit and look at you up. அது it's and they are also not இந்த மாதிரி வழிச்சு வாரிண்டு அந்த மாதிரி they have not done அசம்ஸ்கிருத கேஷாக ஏவதே தாஹா. They have not decorated their hair because they are now separated from their husbands who are traveling. Hence their hair will be loose right now. They would not have spent time. They would not have the mood to spend time on decorating their hair. So it will be loose and it will be falling all over their face. So as they see the cloud, they will be very happy. Now their husbands who are away will be coming back right now. Right? So pathika vanitaha, the women who are ordinary women, they will look at you with confidence. Pratyayat ashvasatyaha, pratyayat vishwasat, because of the confidence that they have, or the vishwasa, the belief that every time a cloud is seen, their husbands come back home. Now the ashvasatyaha, they become more madri na ashvasapadthikira. They become composed. They are no longer feeling that pangs of separation right now, because they know beforehand through experience, pratyayat, that immediately their husbands will start traveling towards home. Okay? Because viraha vidhuram jayam twayi sannadhe sati, twayi sannadhe, when you are ready. Sannadham nama yuddhaya sannadhaha ityeva. நல்ல ஒரு ஆர்மர் எல்லாம் போட்டுண்டு கச்சம் கட்டிட்டு நிக்கிறதுங்கிறதுக்கு தான் சன்னத்தா. பத்தஹா என்ன பத்த பரிகரஹா இத்தியாதி. நத்தனாலே நகு டு பைண்ட். ஸோ சன்னத்தம் நாம யூ ஆர் பவுண்ட் அண்ட் வெல் ரெடி டு பேட்டில். In other words, you are going to pour down right now. When you are in such a position, battle position, kaha jayam upeksheta, viraha vidhuram jayam upeksheta. When you are ready to appear and start the season of rainy season, Viraha Vidhuram, one who, the wife who is Vidhura, who is helpless because of Viraha, because of that separation, who can upeksheta, who can ignore such a wife? Anybody who sees the cloud all ready to pour down, he cannot ignore his wife, he has to immediately go back to his wife. Except for me. Except for a person like me who is dependent on another person. Paradhina vrittihi. Na syat anyaha ahamiva janaha. There cannot be another person like me. Yaha, who is paradhina vrittihi, whose vritti, whose jivanam depends on another person. Only a person like me will ignore his wife and continue being in that separation and allowing her also to be in that separation. Everybody else would not ignore his wife who is suffering from this separation. Okay? இங்கே வந்து you can take it as Vyatireka Alankara. இவர் போட்டிருக்காரா? Arthantra Nyasa is there. Yes. Meghadarshane ko api bharyam na upeksheta iti सामान्यार्थद्वारा मामिव पराधीनवृत्तिः एव भार्याम् उपेक्षते इति विशेषार्थस्य समर्थनम् इति अर्थान्तरन्यासः. Usually prakritam, if the prakritam is last line vandurtana, then we take that the last line is the samarthanam for the first one. So இவர் போட்டிருக்கிறது வேற விதமா போட்டிருக்கார். I would have said விசேஷேன சாமான்ய சமர்த்தனம் இது அர்த்தாந்தரநியாசः, because the விசேஷ வாக்கியம் comes at the end. As you read the shloka, since the vishesha vakya comes at the end, that will be a justification for the samanya vakyam in the beginning. Ko api bharyam na upeksheta iti. I think he take
ரொம்ப ஸ்ட்ரெச் பண்ணின மாதிரி இருக்கு.
ஆமா. So in other words, what he is doing is, what is the prakritam that needs justification ங்கற. அதை விட சிம்பிளா take it as vyatirekam, where he is showing a difference between a person who is dependent on another person and a person who is free to do whatever he wants. So swatantriyena yaha kartum shaknoti satu jayam na upeksheta satu punaha pratinivartayati, whereas a person who is dependent on another person does not have the choice to come back to his wife. So he says, he compares himself to normal people and says he does not have that capacity. So it is a vyatireka.
Normally in Arthantranyasa, whatever comes as the last, using that we justify what comes previously.
Beginning. Yeah, in the Ama. So it is better to take it as Visheshena Samanya Samarthanam would fit better. Yeah. So Paradhina Vrittihi Ahameva, I alone will Upeksham Karomi, Kintu Kaha Anyaha Upeksham Karoti, because this Paradhina Vritti becomes a justification point for this line, the third line. Yeah. Annala the third line talks about kaha iti samanya uktihi atra, aham iti visheshoktihi vartate, and there is a justification using paradhina vritti. So the vishesha justifies the samanya. Okay? Tvamarudham pavanapadavim udgrihita alakantaha. அவருடைய அந்த முன்னிச்ச முடிய தூக்கி பார்க்கறாளாம். ஆமா. Tvamarudham प्रेक्षिष्यन्ते पथिकवनिताः प्रत्ययाद् आश्वसत्यः कस्सन्नद्धे विरह विधुरान् त्वय्युपेक्षेत जायां न स्याद् अन्योऽपि आहमिव जनः यः पराधीन वृत्तिः. Stop with this.